In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tensioner on your Greenworks chainsaw. The most common reason for replacing the tensioner is when the chainsaw bar doesn't adjust when you turn the tension screw and the tensioner. The inside of your saw may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Use only original equipment manufacturer replacement parts. Failure to do so may impact product performance, cause injury, and will void your warranty. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver to complete this repair. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. If your chainsaw has an active chain brake, it must be engaged now. Let's get started. Remove the tensioner. To change the tensioner, the side cover must be removed. Loosen the tensioner and remove the bar and chain. If there is debris inside, brush or wipe the debris away before installing the new parts. With the T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the screw securing the side plate and set it aside. Save the screw for later. Remove the side plate. Remove the screw holding the tensioner assembly in place. Lift out the tensioner assembly, being careful not to damage the plastic piece. Disassemble the tensioner by removing the tension screw and the lower gear. Thread the pin onto the screw with the smaller gear. Line up the grooves on the plastic base and snap the gear into position. Insert the tension screw through the hole and align the two gears. Installing the tensioner. Align the front tensioning peg screw with the groove inside of the seat. Push firmly on the assembly to secure it in place. Once seated, it should be flush with the saw. If it is sticking up at all, remove the tensioner and reseat the end. Reinstall the T20 Torx screw securing the tensioner assembly. Place the side plate back onto the saw and secure it with the other screw. Finish by reinstalling the bar, chain, and side cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your saw, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks saw will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.